Roly, isn't it time for...
Duggee!
Duggee! Duggee and the paper boat badge. Hello, squirrels. I wonder what Duggee has planned for you today.
I don't know. He's reading his newspaper. Windy. Oh no! Your newspaper's blown away. Don't worry, Duggee. We'll get it back. Got it. Yeah. Here's your newspaper, Duggee.
Huh? Oh dear. I don't think you'll be reading that anymore, Duggee.
What are you going to do with it now?
Wolf! Ah, of course, the paper boat badge.
You can make a boat out of paper?
A wolf? Why, yes, squirrels. First, you take a bit of paper, fold it in half, fold it again, unfold it, fold in the top corners, bring up the bottom edge, tuck around the side, push together, fold into a triangle, and gently pull apart. As easy as that. A paper boat.
Wow! Floating! It's floating! Yeah, floating.
Excuse me, young man.
What's this? Huh?
I think you'll find that's our plate.
Oops, sorry.
What on earth are you playing at, boy? We're already late for the picnic.
Ooh, picnic.
Sir, we have a problem. The picnic is on the far side of the water.
Oh, blueberries. What are we going to do?
I know. We could make you a paper boat.
But we don't have any paper, sir.
No blueberries.
But we do.
Oh, jolly good show. Yay!
We're going to make a big paper boat. Yeah! Finished!
Wow, what a boat, squirrels. Wolf. Good work, chaps. All aboard! Bye. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Oh, he's not moving. There's no wind.
Oh, do you have an idea, Duggee? We'll never make it to the picnic on time now.
Wait, sir. I feel wind.
We're moving.
Yeah, we're moving.
Oh, what a good idea. You're blowing them across.
With Duggee's paper.
Mission accomplished.
Jolly good. Did you bring the ketchup?
Ketchup? Blueberries. I left it behind.
Sir, I volunteer for the mission to rescue the ketchup. Sir, I know it's dangerous, but I'm willing to do my duty.
Don't worry. We'll bring it. Stay where you are.
Oh.
Your ketchup, sir.
Good work, soldier. Operation Picnic is go. Thank you, squirrels. Your paper boat saved the day. Hot dogs all around.
Thank you.
Haven't the squirrels done well today, Duggee?
Oh,
Well done, squirrels. You've earned your paper boat badge.
Yay!
Ah, and here are your parents. Just time for one more thing.
Duggee hug!
Oh.
Duggee hug. We've got our paper boat badges! Oh.
Bye-bye, everybody. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it, Duggee?
Sir, yes, sir.
Do stop it, Duggee.